Hey guys, here is a quick video about the Galaxy A50 update. My review of the Galaxy A50 has been really popular, crossing 100,000 views thanks to all your love and appreciation. In that video, my only major criticism about the Galaxy A50 was that the camera app restricts a very capable camera setup as it didn't have a fully featured Pro mode or a dedicated night mode. Well, this new update changes that as it brings the night mode to the Galaxy A50. So first of all, if you are not able to see the night mode option in the camera app right away, just go to its app information, tap on force close and clear its cache and data. Restart the camera app and you'll see the night mode option. So does the night mode actually make any difference in low light? Well, let's check out the samples. As you can see, there is a very big difference in the image quality using night mode. It's brighter, more detailed and also has excellent dynamic range. When compared to the night mode on Realme 3 Pro and Redmi Note 7 Pro using their default camera apps, A50's night shots are very comparable and more or less on par with them. However, A50's night shots are still not as impressive as their shots with Gcam's night sight, but the difference isn't very big now. This update also introduces super slow-mo videos as well as super steady videos, making A50's camera system better than ever. I am very happy with this update and kudos to Samsung for listening to consumer feedback and continuously improving this phone. Alright, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks for watching.